Pakibasa nga, ano? Malubago.
Ilan? Ilan? Ilan is bookkeeper. Bookkeeper in Pasig City. She was a monthly salary of 13,000. She worked 22 days with no overtime but received 1,500 rice allowance. Her company used the standard rate SSS 5%, PhilHealth 2.5%, Pag-ibig 2%.
So, ang hinahanap po natin dito sa unang problem is to replace the order rate. 30,000 divided by 22 is equal 1,353.64. Tapos yung 1,663.64, i-divide yung natin nila sa 8. So, kalabasan mo is 170.46. Tapos yung daily order rate ko is 170.64. Kusitan mo tayo sa pangalawang subject. Compute all mandatory contribution. 30,000 divided by 30,000 times 0.05 equal 1.5 po. SSS po, 1.5. Tapos yung sa ano ng PhilHealth naman po, 30,000 divided by 0.025. Kakalabasan po is 750. Tapos sa Pag-ibig po is 30,000 divided by times 0.02. Ang kakalabasan po is 200. Sa problem po rin naman po is determine the gross pay taxable income. 30,000 minus 283 30,000 minus 2,830. Ang kakalabasan po is 9,167. Tapos yung 9,167 po, depend po natin sa 0.15. Tapos yung kakalabasan po is 1,375.05. Tapos yung tax po is 1,350.05.
Again, rate again.
1,375.05. Yung pang-apat po na sabi is kung si Golden Tax based on trade ko. Yung 30,000 po, i-minus po natin sa 20,830. So, kakalabasan din po is 9,167. Ang kakalabasan po is 30,000 minus 20,830. Kakalabasan po is 9,167. Tapos ano po, 50% times 9,167. Kakalabasan po is 1,375.05. Tapos yung last po na problem is compute total deduction ng net pay. 31,500 minus 1,500 minus 750 minus 200 minus 1,350.05. Ang total po is 27,674.95.
Okay, you can stop, Arrogan.